Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, how to use Hygiene Hero Vipstick Intimate Care Serum. So you might be wondering how to exactly use and what is the Hygiene Hero Vipstick here that you may be hearing online. So, the Hygiene Hero Vipstick Serum is an intimate care serum in a solid stick format. Now, according to the Fish website here, it is designed for external female area or sensitive area care. Now, with the company describing it or describing the product for hydration, skincare, friction protection, odor control, and a warming sensation intended to enhance sensitivity and a bit of pleasure here. Now, in this case, how to exactly use the product or the serum itself. Now, this is according to their website. Now, you want to start with a clean skin. Now, you want to glide the stick over the sensitive or the female area here around 3 to 4 times. Now, the exact instructions here, they do mention that in here in their website, so if you want to read further into that. But from then on, you just want to gently massage the product using small circular motions and basically for about 15 to 20 seconds. The company says the warming sensation can develop within seconds. Now, if you have, or if you do have, like, let's just say sensitive skin, they do, or Hygiene here recommends starting with just 1 to 2 swipes and increasing the amount gradually if there is no irritation. I can also use a clean fingertip to apply small pearl size amount instead of applying the stick directly. Now, the product can be reapplied as desired. Now, the product itself or the company presents Vipstick here as something that can be used during foreplay or intimate activity. Now, they do specifically mention that in here, as you can see right now, and basically while also describing regular use for hydration and dryness relief. Now, it specifically says the product is not a lubricant, so do keep that note. Now, for hygiene here, the manufacturer recommends wiping the top of the stick with a clean tissue before and after every use, though. So the product is intended for external use only, so meaning it should not be inserted in any way in part of the body here. So the formula includes ingredients such as mango seed butter. So if you want to read further into that, so includes hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, turmeric, basil, ashwagandha, propolis, and vanillin butyl ether, which is the ingredient the company lists its formula alongside its warming effect. Now, Hygiene here currently lists 15-gram stick at around $32 as of this moment, but pricing may change depending on what country you're buying this from. But they do have like several flavor options here, including like unflavored, French vanilla, pina colada, strawberry smoothie, and juicy peach, and among other options here, whichever is available as of this moment. So yeah. So the manufacturer says, so according to the website here, to stop using if irritation occurs in here because this is an intimate product applied to sensitive skin. So doing your own research into the ingredients and following the manufacturer's directions is recommended. Now, the website also states that the formula is oil-based and should be used only with non-latex products. So yeah. So again, if you do have, or if you suspect that you have certain allergies on the ingredients or ingredient list here, I would highly recommend you to consult your doctor first, because again, you are applying this to a sensitive area in your body. And yeah, maybe reading reviews outside the website can actually help you determine if this product is actually right for you. But that's about it. Find this video, hopefully, the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.